Hello, dear friends. Today, I'll show you anti-aging face masks that smooth wrinkles and rejuvenate the skin, even at 70 years old. Our main ingredient is cucumber. It hydrates the skin, reduces puffiness, evens out skin tone, and helps calm irritation, making it a powerful natural base for anti-aging skincare. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Blend the cucumber in a blender or grate it on a fine grater. First recipe: add 1 tablespoon of blended cucumber, ½ teaspoon of salt. Salt has antibacterial and exfoliating properties. It helps cleanse pores, reduce inflammation, and improve blood circulation. Benefit: this mask tightens the skin, removes dead cells, and gives your face a fresh, smooth appearance. How to use: apply the mixture to your face, neck, and décolleté using gentle circular motions. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with lukewarm water, then with cool water. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Second recipe: add 1 tablespoon of cucumber, ½ teaspoon of ground flaxseed powder. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 and antioxidants, which support collagen production and skin elasticity. Benefit: deeply nourishes and firms the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines. Apply a thick layer to your face, especially around the jawline and cheeks. Also apply to your neck and upper chest. Relax for 15 to 20 minutes while the mask absorbs. Rinse with lukewarm water, then splash with cold water. Follow with your serum or moisturizer. If you find these tips helpful, give this video a like, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Third recipe: add 1 tablespoon of cucumber, ½ teaspoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant that deeply moisturizes and brightens the skin. Benefit: hydrates dry skin, restores glow, and improves skin tone. Friends, tell me in the comments, which city are you watching from? How to use: apply a thin, even layer to your face and under eye area using a brush or fingers. Lie back and relax for 20 minutes. Wipe off the mask gently with a soft, damp cloth, then rinse with cool water. Finish with a hydrating cream. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful DIY remedies. Fourth recipe: add 1 tablespoon of cucumber, 1 teaspoon of fresh orange juice. Orange juice is packed with vitamin C, which brightens and tones the skin. Benefit: refreshes tired, dull skin and helps fade dark spots. How to use. Apply the mixture to your face, neck, and décolleté. Focus on areas with uneven skin tone. Leave on for 10 to 12 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and avoid direct sun exposure for several hours. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use sunscreen if going outside. Fifth recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of cucumber. 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. This oil is rich in antioxidants and helps improve skin firmness. Benefit: lifts the skin, prevents premature aging, and adds a healthy glow. How to use. Apply the mixture evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands, including the area around your eyes, using gentle circular motions. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to absorb fully. Rinse with lukewarm water, then splash with cold water. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.